What's going on, guys? Drew with Profit Monsters here with a new video, and today I just had a crazy little estate sale come up. I found some stuff for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and I responded to a message that they had a bunch of electronic stuff from an estate sale left over for $20, and there was one like big old school Panasonic camcorder that caught my eye, so I was willing to pay 20 bucks for everything. And then I show up and there's quite a bit of stuff still left, so I started to go through it. They asked that I didn't record inside the house because it was someone that passed away, out of respect and everything, but I got a full car full of stuff, plus I got stuff in my trunk. So I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I paid $50 in total for everything, and just one thing right here that's in the front, this 1991 Operation Desert Storm belt buckle, pretty dope. So I'm really excited about all the finds. I hope you enjoy the video. See you at home. All right, you guys, I got something special that I'm gonna cut into this video. A friend of mine just messaged me and said that her sister has a bunch of video games that she doesn't play with anymore and she doesn't use. So I'm on my way to buy these video games. I don't really know what they have. They said some DS stuff, maybe an N64, maybe a GameCube, I don't know. I'm really excited though, so let's get in there and see what they got. Okay, so I just got back to the house and got some video games. Didn't get as much as I was expecting, but I'm still thankful for the video games. So let me show you a little bit of what I got real quick. All right, here's the box of stuff. Got some DS games. I got a Nintendo 64 controller. I got a couple N64 games. This one's good. Mario Party 2, Yoshi's Story, Kirby 64, and Mario Kart. Some solid games in there. They need to be cleaned up, which is no problem at all. I love doing that kind of stuff. There's a Nintendo DS in here. There's Wii Sports, a couple GameCube controllers, and Mario Kart Wii with the two Wii wheels, which is really nice. And there's some of the DS games, Mario Party DS, Super Mario Brothers, Nintendogs. I don't know why everybody has that game. Namco Museum, and Kirby Superstar Ultra. So yeah, I paid 50 bucks for this entire box, and I could probably sell just Mario Kart and Mario Party 2 for over 50 bucks right there. So that was a solid little pickup, and shout out to my friend Sammy for letting me squeeze in and get these games. I got everything loaded up here. Don't mind my kids' toys. There's a couple monitors that I got, and then this coat, which we will start with. I could not find any name on it, but it almost has like that Burberry pattern on it. The only thing that I got was this tag right here that says made in Poland. So I'm gonna have to look through all the pockets and try to find something. There's this as well, but I couldn't find any names or brands in any other tags. It looks like this is almost like a removable lining, so I'm pretty sure it's not Burberry, especially being made in Poland. But let's get into these boxes and literally see what I got. So I ended up buying a couple extra things. I went for the $20 Facebook deal and got a couple extra things. So I ended up paying $50 for everything. So let's see if we can make some money. All right, so I'm just gonna use this rocking chair because I'm gonna go one by one with the boxes, and we'll kind of just pick through it and see what we got here. Looks like a lamp. This was all leftovers from an estate sale. So I mainly went for that big camcorder, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Looks like we got some tape, some wires in here. Probably nothing of value in this bag. So put that to the side. I see a remote in there, that's good. This stuff is all in bags. Looks like we got some old school headphones. These might be to like a Sony Walkman. I saw one of those in one of the boxes. So there's some of these like computer joysticks, game controllers. I don't know what they're for. There was a couple of them though. Here's another set of headphones. This is a Logitech camera actually. Nice. This is for the computer. Looks like we got a little toy gun of some sort. I don't know what this is for. Probably some type of computer game. It looks like it plugs in to the computer there. So I'll have to research that. We got a couple computer mouses. This is like one of those Logitech big mouse. There's another one right here. I think these are probably like 10-15 bucks at least. Here's another Power Player joystick. So there must be some type of like shooting computer games, some Dell computer mouses. Not too bad of a bag. Okay, I've kind of set up a little rig here with my GoPro strap and my phone so we can go through the rest of this. I'm going to just be really careful here, but All right, let's see if we got anything good. I got some Vital Records, British Isles, Family Search Ancestral File. Looks like we got some type of RCA remote. No batteries, so it's good. Probably no corrosion. Some remotes can be worth a lot of money, so it's always nice to have some of these. This one looks fancy. Electro brand. I'll have to see if I can find out any information on that. This looks like one of those projector remotes, and we got a brand new signal splitter. That was the estate sale price. That did not sell. This looks like a some type of TV remote. Looks like one of those Magnavox recorder remotes. Let's see. Looks like we got some more like just basic cables and splitters in here. I don't see anything crazy, but some crazy glue and some like cable jacks and things like that. So that bag's pretty much worthless. Oh, actually, we might have something here because these are pretty nice to have for selling DVD combo units. I really like having extras of these. I try to pick them up at thrift stores when I can find them for like 99 cents to throw them into the DVD combo units. So that's actually nice to have some. We got another remote in here. This is a Sanyo and there's a model number on it, which is nice. I can look that up, the GXBA, and see what that's worth. And then we got some more cables. There's something right here. What is this? Samsonite. This opens up. Let's see. What the? I have no idea what this is. Let me know in the comments if you know what this is. It just says made in China. Maybe it's some type of, that's for batteries. Maybe it's like a flashlight or a little lamp or something for reading. I don't know. And then it looks like more cables. Nothing else too crazy in there. Then let's go to this last bag. Looks like we got more cables. Some, this is like a circuit plug for, like, could be like on a reset. Oh, never mind. I thought that was a timer. Looks like we might have some headphones in here. These are probably just cheap. Some more cables, nothing too exciting in here. I won't waste your guys' time with that. So that's the first box, pretty weak. All right, we're on to the second box, and this is what I was talking about right at the top, was this Sony FM Walkman player right here. I don't know much about this specific model, but I know that some Walkmans can be worth a lot of money, especially if they're sealed in the box. This one is not, but it is the WM FX103, and it has headphones with it, which is kind of cool, and a plug. So this could be worth some money. All right, looks like we got some type of little storage rack of sorts, maybe for bowls or something like that. Probably missing the bowls, so nothing there. Looks like we got a VCR head and tape cleaner kit. Lots of different video or computer games video slots. A lens cleaner. Oh, this might actually be good for my Nintendo Wii. I don't know though if this will work. Oh, it does have the little lenses on it, so maybe I can try that out on my Nintendo Wii. That's not working. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that that's what I'm struggling with right now. Looks like just Microsoft Office, some basic discs, nothing fancy there. All right, we got some timers and some more plugs, but this was one of the things I saw on the listing. Nice little Polaroid camera here, hopefully. Let's see, looks in good shape. Some of these open like automatically, there we go. This is the one step, so, and I think that this pops open right here to reveal there's like cartridges for the printer, so this is kind of cool. I think some of these Polaroids can sell for up to like 20-25 bucks, so that would essentially pay for half my investment if that is a good one. In this bag, we've got a Virtual Jeopardy. Some of these virtual games are worth money, some of them are not. Let's see. We got a hand exerciser. Can always use one of those. Info Guard. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Looks like we got some more cables. This is another webcam right here. A Logitech webcam, pretty cool. I'll have to look those up. Got some, oh almost like school supplies, some highlighters, hole puncher, some Sharpies, some staples, and like old school compass or this is a compass, right? Or protractor, I can't remember. I didn't do very good in school, people. All right, what is this? Harmonica Fuji Soshi Chromatic. So there's probably more camera stuff in here, which is exciting. So let's get to that. We got more headphones, so this could be to some type of old school player down here. More headphones, nice, I like that. Looks like we got a super joystick that plugs into the wall. I don't know what this is for, probably a computer, but super joy. Look that up. Looks like we got some stuff down here. This is probably for that super joystick, some type of memory card. Some Animusic 2, Animusic, and Windows 7. Got another cassette player here. Some type of Kobe unit. This is, I don't even know how to pop these open. There we go. So there's that. Looks like there might be some headphones attached too, so that could be good. I'll put it with the other ones. Got a computer joystick. Most of these are not worth anything, but some can be worth money. And we got a disc cleaning system, cassette CD. So got a little wallet here, cell phone holder. Here's another Polaroid. That's cool. The Spectra System SE. I don't know if this one opens or not, but system control, pretty cool. Let me see if I can try to open this. There we go. All right, that's pretty cool. Another Polaroid camera, I'll take it. Looks like we got some old phones, Unisonic. Sometimes old phones can be worth money, don't underestimate them. But I'm not putting all my eggs in that basket. We've got some picture frames here of like space. It's actually kind of cool. I don't know what they're for or what they're from. Some Memorex speakers, not too bad. All right, the lady I got the stuff from gave me this bag too, and I believe it was for like the Polaroid stuff, she said, but she's not sure. This clearly says Polaroid on it, so that's kind of cool. I don't know what they do, but it looks like says Polaroid transmitter. So this is a Polaroid receiver. I'll have to look that up, model 7030. So probably can lot this up with the cameras. And then there's something else in here. Or maybe it's just an empty bag. No, we got some type of like lenses. I don't know what the heck these are. Kind of cool though. I'll have to look it up what these readers are for. And don't think there's anything else in here. Some manuals. And that's it for that bag. Oh, I opened it upside down. Darn it. Oh well. We got the Panasonic AFX6 Omni Movie camera. Looks like it has everything here. There's like a rechargeable camcorder battery. There's whatever this thing is, probably a docking station for charging the battery. And then we got the unit itself with the original strap and manual, which is really nice. I don't know anything about these, but I mean, for $5 at the estate sale, I probably would have picked this up if I made it to the estate sale. Looks like there might have been like some type of microphone here or like a cover for the microphone. But I'll look up this model and put a little screenshot on the screen to see what it's worth. Okay, this box isn't very exciting, but I did pick up this printer while I was there. It is a Canon HC or Canon Pixma IP2700. These are like $199 brand new, and the lady tested it when I was there, and it works perfectly. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I didn't have much luck with my last printer. Stay tuned for my next video where I smash it. But this printer was in excellent condition. They already wanted $90 or $70 for it, and I told her I'd give her $20 because it didn't sell at the estate sale. And they came with some extra ink too, which is nice. And this thing's just in really good shape. So I should be able to get at least $100 for this, maybe even more, like $150 with the ink. So, and I got a perfect box for it already. So yeah, not a great, or not a bad deal. This printer was also included in the deal. They were asking like $5 for it because there was no ink and they didn't test it or anything. I'll probably just smash it, see my next video, and just have some fun with it. This was a pretty cool pickup too. Hey, you can see me. This was like a little thermos kit, like a vintage one. There's 2 of these, like really big thermoses. They are Stanley Supervac brand, and it has like the original case on it. They wanted $2, so I gave them the $2 for it. But there's 2 of them, as you can see, the thermoses right there, and I believe this is like a holder for it. Let me see if I can get it open with one hand here. Looks like it almost might be like a wine holder or something, and there's some corks in here. I don't know if they're for the thermoses or not, but still pretty cool set. I'll try to put up some screenshots of the comps. I didn't look it up. I just thought it was cool for $2. All right, last but not least, well, last, is this New Wave Infrared Pro Oven. They were asking $15 at the estate sale. It didn't sell, and this looks pretty big and clunky, but this can fit in a really relatively small size box once everything is packaged up nicely. And these were having really good comps on them. I'll put a screenshot up on the screen right now for you guys to see that as well. But don't be afraid to pick up stuff like this if you can get it for a good price. Again, originally it was going to be $5 for this, and then we just settled on everything for $50. So, I mean, between the cameras, some of the computer like controllers might do well, the Polaroid and the bag. This should make me all my money back easily at probably $80 or $90 plus shipping. This printer should sell for over $100 plus shipping. And then I've got the New Wave, so turning $50 into potentially maybe, let's just call it like $250 or more. This is probably the thermostat. I have to do some research, but looks like it'll probably be, you know, anywhere between $20 and $40. So I'm really happy with this pickup for $50. So not too bad for a $50 pickup on Facebook. Plus I got those video games from my friend Sammy, which I showed you guys earlier. I paid $50 for all of that, and that's easy money with video games. The GameCube controller alone will sell for like $25. The Nintendo 64 games I should make probably over 60 or 70 on the 4. There's a Nintendo DS that'll sell for about 40, 45 bucks. So I'm going to do really good on these pickups, and I got them both last night. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed going through that stuff with me. It's kind of like a mini mystery box for me because I literally looked at it sight unseen and drove about 45 minutes to pick it up. Really happy with it. Let me know if you would have paid $50 for that stuff at that estate sale. And I will see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned where I smash some stuff, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Peace, money!